Good morning, Steve Freed with the Morning Grain Comments. Markets are a little bit higher. Beans up 4 cents, meals up $5, corn's unchanged, and wheat's up 2 cents. Outside markets waiting for inflation data with stocks higher, dollar a little bit lower, crude higher, and gold also higher. Gold supported by some dovish comments by the central bank governors, but also the continued war in Israel and Gaza Strip, and also uncertainty of the conditions in the Black Sea for Ukraine exports. It's USDA report day. I think some people are looking for a slightly higher U.S. Soybean carryout, slightly lower yield, and we continue to see out of South America, despite some dry conditions, Brazil talking about a record soybean crop, and Argentina raising their crop estimate to 50 million tons from 25 last year. Over the corn, a pretty quiet market. Lack of export demand out of the U.S. continues to offer resistance. Weekly export sales are delayed till tomorrow because of the holiday. USDA is expected to lower slightly the carryout and maybe the yield, but the question mark continues to be U.S. export demand, with Brazil shipping corn to China, another origin, and Brazil corn prices lower than U.S. Over in the wheat market, yesterday making new lows. Talk about lower Russian prices, higher Russian supply. Also, a little bit better yield potential in Australia, while the wheat yields in Argentina are declining, and the quality of the Brazil wheat is also declining because of too much rain in southern Brazil. Still, for both U.S. and EU, the lack of export demand continues to trigger funds, adding to their net short position in the wheat. I think in the beans and corn, we need a South American weather problem to push prices higher. And I think in the wheat market, we also need to see pickup in Europe and U.S. wheat export interest. There is some talk that China would like to ask for prices of U.S. soft bread rental wheat at the Gulf. So again, USDA report day, 11 o'clock, we'll be back with the results of the USDA numbers and market action. And then we'll be watching for CPI data today, and also be watching any news out of the Middle East.